accounts.
Okay, so now,
How much is that?
last one for today, I promise. Now we're looking at how bank accounts work and how interest with bank accounts work. So it's a little bit different, but still using the same formula. So with bank accounts, interest is usually accumulated by the month, and how much interest that is earned depends on two things. It depends on the rate the bank is paying.
I actually was thinking with my brain for a second. The road?
Did you just say you actually thought you were thinking in your brain?
No, I said I actually thought with my brain just then.
Really? It's bad.
No, because sometimes I don't think and I'm just like random and then I say a random word, but I actually thought about it and I think about bank accounts and I was like, what do they actually ask you about when you go to the bank and create a bank account?
And your brain thought that.
It's been a real short time.
And let me guess, the next thing is going to be...
And the next thing is the amount.
Oh my... On which you start with.
Okay, and the next bit is the amount on which the interest is paid. So which we also know as,
Starting price.
yep, as principal amount.
Ava, you're on
Your
fire.
brain is thinking.
You use that brain.
Yep, still simple interest. Yep.
Interest. Yes.
Okay, so generally banks pay interest. Generally banks pay interest on the minimum monthly balance. So what that means is the smallest amount in the account over a calendar month.
Hey, I remember doing this. Years ago.
It's the first I've ever heard of it.
And it's like this whole week thing. Yes. So random.
Maybe it was your subconscious mind.
Okay, so if we're looking at a bank account,
It's 1 month.
girls, if we're looking at a bank account, so this table shows the entries into Tom's bank account. If the bank pays interest at a rate of 3% per annum on the minimum monthly balance, find the interest payable for the month of July, correct to the nearest cent. So the first thing we need to do is find out the minimum monthly balance for July. So out of all of this, so look at the ones that are in July, so we've only got 2 that are in July. What is the smallest amount?
July 1st.
450. No.
Yep, so 350. So this is what we're going to calculate our simple interest on because it's the smallest and we've been told that it's the minimum monthly balance, so the smallest balance in the bank account throughout that month.
Can you stop here with me? Yeah, you need to leave.
This is the last dot
Just
point.
let me finish. They're trying to get me to leave.
Okay, so to calculate the interest payable for this amount, how would we calculate it?
So 350 times. No. That's
How do we calculate how much interest?
TO times R
Yep.
times.
Oh, yeah, it is 350.
Yep.
350.
Keep going.
100.
Beautiful.
Guys.
All right. So for time, what's our time?
Month.
A month. So how are we going to put that into our calculator? We can't type month in.
112.
112. Excellent, because we're talking about 1 month out of 12, and we've been told that it's calculated per annum.
So
So
fraction over
per.
fraction.
Or you can just go. You can put a fraction in your fraction, or you can go 1 over 12. Put that in your calculator, then put the answer in. Either way, it works both ways. So 1 over 12 by the rate, which is, yep, by the principal amount, which was,
350.
yep, 350 over
100.
100. Yep, 0.875.
Love that confident answer.
Okay, and you can put these in any order you want, just as long as these are all on top and the hundreds on the bottom. So how much interest did Tom earn in his bank account per month?
0.865.
Yep, but to the nearest cent. So we're talking cent. No, he earned more than 1 cent.
Hang on, I'm confused now.
To the nearest cent.
But if it's 0.875, what do you
Well, you can't have 0.875 of a dollar.
90 cents. 0.9. 0.8.
88 cents.
88 cents. Your brain is thinking. 88 cents.
But then you round it up to 90 because you can't do 88.
You can't, but this is said to the nearest cent.
Okay, well.
Plus, it's a credit card thing.
if that's
isn't it?
right.
So
It's a credit
Tom,
card. It's a credit card thing, so it takes the exact amount.
so Tom has earned 88 cents in interest.
We're done.
So that's when we look at the totals, and we need to. So we only need to look at the July ones.
Oh my gosh, it smells like.
We only need to look at these two. We look at the smallest one out of these ones. Our smallest is 350. That's why we're calculating it on 350. So if he had taken more money out and he was left with $300, we would calculate it on $300. So if he gets a big paycheck and he spends it all, I'd like Tom.
Oh, is it?
All right. Any question? Any other questions?
Oh,
That was a good question. Any other questions? No. Okay. Cool. So this is 4B, simple interest.
Ooh.